हाय एवरीवन। तो आज हम एक काफी कूल ऐप देखने वाले हैं, लाइक रियली कूल वन, लाइक वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट नो कोड एआई apps that we are going to see. I recently saw this. It's Marblism, and it helps you to create any any app in just 5 minutes. And the good part, you just need to write the prompt. You will get the access to the code. You will have the database. You can export the code to your own GitHub and everything. Okay, you can just customize it, and everything is possible with it. What type of apps you can create? You can create your own Airbnb type of app, or your own social media type of Twitter type of app, or a project management type of app. And the best part, you have a front end code in Next.js, back end in Node.js, database in PostgreSQL, JWT authentication, OpenAI, mail, Stripe payments, file upload, everything you get, guys. Okay, just let's go and try it out. Okay. Okay, so like in 2 days before, I asked in my community, in Twitter and LinkedIn, like what apps shall I create? So Prashant, one of my friend, he suggested me to create open GPT, like chat GPT for Indian lawyers or something, where I can ask any question related to law or something. Okay, so let's try to create that app only. Okay, so here we have like law GPT. The project type we can choose, it's a SaaS app, AI app, marketplace, social network, internal tools, or others. So we are gonna create an AI app. Project description, you can write the prompt. Okay, that's wrong. Let me get a prompt. Okay, so I already written up a prompt. GPT. Okay, two, one. It's good to write it in a pointer. Do you want me to create a video on how to write a good prompt? Then do tell me. There are a few rules to write a prompt. Okay, so this is just a basic prompt I have written. Let's see what it will be out of it. Oh, okay, just let's move on. Okay, so now the theme. Either we want in a light theme or a dark theme. I like dark theme. Let's go create next and let's see what we will have. Okay, so it's created up a project for us. Will take some time. Let's wait for it. Okay, so it has created up a user story for us, a complete user story, the scenario and everything it has created, a complete a roadmap type of things. And we can add our own page, like it has created an home page for us, an authentication page, a notification page, a profile page. If you want to add more page, you can add more page. If you don't like any scenario, you can remove it. You can read it out. Let me leave it on default. Let's go next. Try it out. Okay, it's generating a database schema for us. Pretty cool, right? Let's wait for it. Okay, so we have our own database schema ready. Everything, like all the fields, ID is the primary key, the required status, question, it is connected to the user field. Okay, just interface element, user interface. If you want to change anything, you can simply go and do the change over here. But I'm happy with it. Let's go click on the next. If you're a developer, you know like how much of your time has already been saved. Okay, let's just wait for a 5 minutes. It will not take even 5 minutes. It will be done in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's wait for it. Okay, so our workspace is ready. We have our own code base. We can connect our own GitHub over here. But yeah, just let's launch our workspace and see. Oh, okay, it's ready. Let's go deploy it and let's see. Let's see it pretty fast. Okay, guys, so we have our app ready. Okay, we have our own login page. We have our own editor. You can go. You can check out the code. Everything is here. Pretty great, right? Code is written in TypeScript. You can go do any changes you want. All in just 5 minutes. Your own mailing system, your own database, and go. What all do you need, guys? What all do you need? Let's just go and look at our own page. Let's go sign in. Okay, we have our own. Let's select our category. Okay, it has given a different category for us. Hmm, let's just see intellectual property law. Pose a legal question. How can I draft? Okay, it has even given us some question. Okay, so let's just ask a question. Let me find some questions related to property law or something. Okay, so let's ask up a question. What is the main difference between copyright, patents, and trademark? And can you provide an example with that type of creation? Okay, let's just submit up the question. Question submitted. Where do we get the answer, bro? Mm-hmm. Okay, look like it is not working how we want. So yeah, we can do the changes. It's all on us. The home page. Okay, I want a search box over to be here. A search box where I can ask any questions related to uh, law and give me the answer using AI. Okay, let's just go click on the next and just see what it does. Okay, so it's telling it like what all the changes it is going to do. Let's just click continue. It's loading, let's see. Okay, so I tried it out. It's working, guys. So it has done all the changes. It run the check through the code and everything is good. So here's all the changes it has done. Like I can ask a question, I can submit the question, and it will generate me the AI generated answer. Pretty cool, right? Let me ask him some another question. Let's something related to family law or criminal law. Okay, let's just ask something related to criminal law. Okay, so we have a question here. Okay, so discuss the legal defense available under the Indian Penal Code for a person accused of homicide. How does the concept of self-defense differ from instantly as a defense in such case? Pretty cool question, right? Type of story type. Okay, so if you want to ask anything, let's see what is generated. Mm, we can add a loading also over here. You just need to go and write a prompt. Okay, see, we have our own complete answer. Under the Indian penal law, there are several legal defense available for the person accused of homicide, including self-defense, this, and under Section 84 and everything. You got all the answer. It's not that pretty cool. You have your own AI-powered law, ChatGPT, as your own lawyer in just 5 minutes, ready for you. You can ask any question. You can do any changes to it, anything. Okay. Here, like most of the options are repeated. You can just go type on here, like I want more options over into the search bar. It will do for you. It's that pretty simple, guys. It's very cool, na? If I have a payment dispute, if I have tax implementation for freelancers in India, a freelance contract in India should include details about this and everything is there, guys. Uh, and we have more of the pages here. I have a notification page, pre-built, a freelance agreement tips, and I have a profile page pre-built. Okay, you can look over here. Pretty cool. Uh, And if you want to update a page, you can simply do it from here. Update a page if you want to do something in the home page. Let me just save all the changes that I've done and then let me show you. It's pretty great, right? Let's do all the changes and then it asks you it's all good or not, or do you want to make any other changes? Okay, you can update a page, you can add a page, you can update the layout, you can do the front end fixes, or do you want to edit a design system or something, you want to change the font or something. You can select the page, in which page you want to do the changes, and just simply write it out. Just simply write it out what you want to do and it will be done. If that also, if you're not comfortable, if you're a coder or something and you want to make your hands dirty, you can simply go into the editor and you can just play with the code. And once everything is done, you can just simply go and save it on your uh, GitHub. What else? What else will you do? You can click here. You can read it in full. You can refresh the page. You can look at the history. Uh, you can reset the session and reset the conversation. Refresh the workspace and everything. So yeah, that's about Marblism. Hope you like this pretty cool no-code AI app. I really love it. Like you can do anything with it. So yeah, just go give it a try and even give the feedback to their founders or something if you found any bug or something. It is really at a very early stage at the moment. Go try it out, have a fun with it, and meet you in the next section, I guess. Bye bye.